In front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Bluetooth. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Then use this icon next to allow access to contacts and call logs to enable or disable it, and choose pair at the bottom right corner. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, after a few seconds my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this icon next to paired device and hit unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!